Hey guys, what's up? It's Mike. I want to show you how to do well, it's not really a trick, it's more of a cool way to get into a wrist mount. It looks kind of like that. I don't know what the actual name for this is called. I think it's like slack to wrist mount or something like that. If you know an official name for it, feel free to leave it in the comments and I'll change the title of the video. But it's pretty straightforward. Throw a breakaway, you let the string of the yo-yo hit the index finger of your free hand, and as it hits and it starts to hinge up and over that, like it was going to land a trapeze, you have to take advantage of it hanging in the air and take your throw hand, and you want the string to be coming across your index finger so that if you take your throw hand towards your free hand like this, it'll swing a little loop over your hand. You want that loop to come over and land on the string so that when the yo-yo finishes its little trapeze motion, it ends up in a wrist mount. So this is one of those that'll probably take you a little bit of practice to figure out, but I think just knowing that, oh, while this is hanging over here above my finger, I can whip that string around, and if I luck out and that string gets on top of the trapeze string, as we're going to call it for a moment, then the yo-yo will just land through the loop and I'll have a cool little wrist mount. So that's how you do it. If you're having trouble with it, you could start with trapeze, pop the yo-yo in the air, and try and swing the loop towards your free hand while it's in the air. You just kind of have to bring it towards you so it cuts underneath the yo-yo. Doing it while you're going through the breakaway motion makes it a little bit easier to bring that loop over because you don't have to like swing it towards you underneath the yo-yo kind of matrix style. You can just flip it over the top and it's a lot easier to land that way, I think. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions about the trick or element, as we're going to call it, or you have any tutorials that you'd like me to make, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video and you thought it was helpful, click the like button. If you want to see more, click subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys later.